Actually now just afternoon. Yeah, I had a little bit of a unintended lie-in this morning. It was so good though to be sleeping in a bed after spending the night before sleeping in the front seat of a Renault Captur. And there's only one thing worse than sleeping in the front seat of a Renault Captur, and that's trying to sleep in the back seat of a Renault Captur. So I had a lovely sleep last night, which means I'm a little bit late today to where I want to be. I'm now at Ponta da Ferraria, and the westernmost point of Sao Miguel Island. I've just missed the tide to get into the hot spring, so I'm gonna have to come back to tomorrow morning. But it still looks a pretty awesome place, so I'm gonna have a little wander around. So. One thing that's cool about this place is that all the rock around here, you can tell, is volcanic. This truly is an absolutely stunning place. Just look at this. That was pretty close. I actually got wet on that one. Best way to wake back up before I get put in there. Still awesome though. Okay, tempted fate a little bit too much then, and I got caught in the next wave. I'm absolutely soaked. Hope all my camera and stuff is alright, otherwise this is going to be an expensive trip. Oh shit. Oh man, I can't believe that. Everything is soaked. But oh dear. Oh man. Even cut myself trying to scramble out. Absolutely soaked. Oh man. Yeah, let's go a little bit further in. Oh man. Finally away from that water that just attacks you for no reason. So hopefully a little bit more tranquil. I've popped down to Sete Cidades, right into middle where the volcano is. So you see, this is now a lake. This all was inside of a volcano. Sao Miguel Island used to be two islands. There used to be two volcanoes that over time grew and became one, which is now Sao Miguel Island. And this is the little village of Sete Cidades. is amazing. But now off to Mosteiros, find something to eat. Right, I'm now here in Mosteiros. I've been driving around, I can't really find anywhere I fancy eating, but it is pretty cool. Pretty cool little place. Quite mad driving around. Check this out. Yeah, like I said, I can't find anywhere fancy eating, so I might just drive home and make myself some dinner. But actually, I'm gonna drive around and show you what it's like driving around here. It's so tight and so narrow, but it's pretty cool. I'll show you. Driving around then, I noticed something that could be pretty cool, so let's go take a look. Cool place, but now I really am hungry, so I'm going to drive home, get myself some food, just chill out I think. Chill day today I think, and then do a lot more tomorrow. Right, now back in the flat, gonna chill out after a nice, pretty cool day. Grab myself some food and just chill out, watch the sunset.